pupils of Gelli Primary School in Ystrad have dog poo on their minds, and they don't want to see it on their streets. There's a major dog fouling problem in their community, and they have set about trying to tackle it. They have put up dog poo bins, designed logos and posters, put up stickers on lampposts, and continue to look out for anyone with a pooch who wants to poo. They'll pop out from the most unlikely places to make sure that dog owners become aware of the problems caused and that they have a good supply of dog poo bags, available for free in the school and the local shop. The pupils of Gelli Primary continue to make a big difference, with both parents and children recognising much cleaner streets. And let's face it, nobody likes poo on their shoe,